You place the rice in a banana leaf and then put inside the bamboo and then place it on fire. So we'll serve the rice. First we'll serve the rice and after that we'll serve the curry with its This is fish, small fish, mixed with turmeric, onion and ginger. The process is same like we do the rice. First, we take the banana leaf, then we place the fish and mix the turmeric, ginger, and some coriander leaves also, and then make it good. Okay, and then chili. We make chili and also onion and garlic. We put it inside and then we place it on the pan. So now it's ready to serve. Serving the food to our visitors. First, we place the banana leaf. After that, bamboo glass. We don't use glass. We use bamboo as a glass of water for water. Now we are serving the rice. Everything is cooked in a traditional way. Secondly, we serve fish that is also cooked in a traditional way. The third thing we serve, we're going to serve is pork. And that is harpoon. And this is yum. It is called hankedok in Hardy. And this is ini silkworm. I mean, iriput in Korean. Iriput silkworm. This is rosalie. cook with fermented fish. This is papaya and hantu is sardine. Hantu and papaya. That is called hantu in sardine. We will have corn. Mix with brinjal,
Lani ng angkat ito Katiring ni sengalong
brinjal chili and papaya.
Kanipina Sitong jikayalong Nangsong nan malong Charina ni sengikon Sani nang nonipon
Spider-Man.
Buham dito
The rice is cooking this way.